Leviticus 19 verse 2, speak to the entire assembly of Israel and say to them, Be holy because I, the Lord your God, am holy. 1 Peter 1 verses 15 to 16, but just as he who called you is holy, so be holy in all you do, for it is written, Be holy, because I am holy. Hebrews 12 verse 14, make every effort to live in peace with everyone and to be holy. Without holiness no one will see the Lord. 2 Corinthians 7 verse 1, therefore, since we have these promises, dear friends, let us purify ourselves from everything that contaminates body and spirit, perfecting holiness out of reverence for God. Romans 12 verse 1, therefore, I urge you, brothers and sisters, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true and proper worship. Ephesians 1 verse 4, for he chose us in him before the creation of the world to be holy and blameless in his sight. 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 7, for God did not call us to be impure, but to live a holy life. Colossians 1 verse 22, but now he has reconciled you by Christ's physical body through death to present you holy in his sight, without blemish and free from accusation. 1 Corinthians 3 verse 17, if anyone destroys God's temple, God will destroy that person, for God's temple is sacred, and you together are that temple. Isaiah 35 verse 8, and a highway will be there, it will be called the way of holiness, it will be for those who walk on that way. The unclean will not journey on it, wicked fools will not go about on it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.